evening, students. Today is the second day of lockdown 2.0. Last class we had seen the basics of the spherical mirrors like focus, then pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, all those things. Today we will start the image formation by spherical mirror. So first of all we will see the image formation by concave mirror. So these are called the fundamental rays, like I have given three examples. This is a concave mirror, this is the focus, center of curvature. Suppose the incident ray parallel to principal axis. Then after reflection, where the ray of light will move. Second one is, suppose you pass the ray through the focus, then what will be the reflected ray. And third one is, if the incident ray passes through the center of curvature, what will be the reflected ray. So let us see the first case. So of course this is the definition of focus. If the ray of light is parallel to principal axis, after reflection it will pass through focus. Second one, just opposite of this, if the ray of light is parallel to principal axis, then it is passing through focus. So if the incident ray is passing through focus, then definitely after reflection it will be parallel to principal axis. And third one, can you see what will be the path of the reflected ray? It will return back. Why it will return back? Because this is nothing but the radius of curvature. Here the angle of incidence is 0, and from lower class also you know that in a circle the radius is always perpendicular to its perimeter. So here the angle of incidence is 0, so angle of reflection will be 0, so the ray of light will return back. These three are called the fundamental rays of concave mirror. So while drawing a ray diagram, we have to use any two out of the three. Now let us see what will be the image formation. Like in a concave mirror, there can be 6 cases. What are the 6 cases? I am drawing a diagram, and a table is given in your NCERT book. You can refer that. Like suppose this is a concave mirror. This is the principal axis. This is the pole. This is the focus. This is the center of curvature. Then this is the far away, that is called infinity. So in a concave mirror, if the object is from infinity to focus, there are 5 cases. If the object is between infinity to focus, what are the 5 cases? First case is object is at infinity. Second one is object is just beyond center of curvature. Third one is object on center of curvature. Fourth one is object between center of curvature and focus, and fifth one is object at focus. Then the image will be real image. We will draw the ray diagram. Real image. And there is a 6th case, if the object is between focus and pole. This is the object. Then the image will be virtual image. So in a concave mirror we get both type of image, real image as well as virtual image. We just summarize this diagram as, here I am writing down, you can refer the table given in your NCERT book, object, image and nature. There will be 6 cases. First, object at infinity, image will be at focus, real and inverted image, point size image. Second one, object beyond C. Beyond C means just behind center of curvature. Image will be again real. Image will be between C and F. And again real image. Third one, object on C. On C means just exactly over the center of curvature. Image will be on C. It will be real image and same size image. We will see the ray diagram individually. Fourth one is object between C and F, center of curvature and focus. In between these two, the image will be beyond C, opposite of second case, and it will be real image. Fifth one, object on focus. Object on focus, it will be opposite of first case. If the object is at infinity, image is at focus. So if the object is at focus, then image will be at infinity and real image. So these are the 5 cases of real image. Last one, object between focus and pole. 6th case I am writing down here. Between F and P object, focus and pole, image will be virtual image. In the next class, we will draw all the 6 ray diagram individually and we will explain the position nature of image. For today, just learn these things. Thank you.